guys, welcome back. If you've seen the previous videos in this series, then you'll know that I got my hands on a Panasonic Q and I'm slowly just kind of checking it, restoring it as best as I can. So I'm documenting the whole process. I'm no expert, you know, my findings and the complications I've came across, just to, you know, help educate others out there. So the next step in testing the Panasonic Q out, I had to buy a couple little bits. First of all, the most important is this converter. I need to convert the UK power to the Japanese power because the transformer is internal on this machine. So very much needed that. Nice, small and compact. I'll leave the link in the description. Then for the video out, I've got this guy on Amazon for like 15 quid. It's a S-video and composite to HDMI converter. Not expecting flawless results, but it's all I need. Again, I'll leave a link in the description. And then of course, if it does power on, I need to check if it reads games. So I picked up one of my favorite GameCube games, which is Monkey Ball 2. Love it. And an absolute huge win here is I've been able to track down a genuine Panasonic Q controller to match the console. It's not in the best condition, needs a little bit of work, this joystick, but whatever. I'm super happy that I've been able to get one. We can work on it later. Anyway, I'm really excited to see if this guy will power on. So I'm gonna rush down to the garage now with this and the console. Gonna test it in the garage just in case there is any sparks or flames or smoke. I don't want that in the house. So, quick field test. See if it has power. Okay, yeah, we got main power. Does it turn on? Awesome. Okay, you have main power here. This is great. Screen works. Everything looking good so far. Now how about if we go into GameCube mode? Oh, wow. Look at that. All the LEDs are working. Jesus, can you hear the fan? Now, I don't know if that's a sign that the fans are on their way out or something, but that is loud. Yeah, there's no signs there. That's not good. All of that seems good. Now this tray, we need to find a way of propping this tray up and hold it in line. I don't have the replacement parts yet. I wanted to see if this guy even turned on first, so let's take it back in anyway. So, for aligning the drive, I found the perfect little piece to keep it supported inside. Let's see if it opens. Booyah! And close. So, drive mechanically is fine, it's just the alignment. So next step is going to be to test whether this can output video, read discs. I've got it hooked up to my external monitor using this S-video adapter. Nothing too fancy because I just want to make sure it's outputting video, and then I can mess around with proper RGB and HDMI adapters, etc. So we just need to give this some power. Being careful because I've had to, as shown previously, I've had to wedge the disk drive into place because it's out of alignment. And we already know we have power, so if I turn on, okay. So let's see if it will read discs. So let's open up. Once I've finished faffing, get some volume on this. Reading Super Monkey Ball. So the conclusion here is that it reads discs, it output video, and it works pretty goddamn well. Oh, and obviously control pad works and controller port works. Genius. I guess this is fully functional. It's just a few aesthetic things and of course fixing this drive arrangement, which obviously I've got propped up using a Game Boy game. But on this side the pin's complete, but basically I need new rails, and then this gap on the this bit of the drive, which is stopping the drive tray front from fitting, needs to be repaired. Don't know if I'm going to need a whole new drive or if I can get a part, but yeah, we have a fully working Panasonic Q. To continue watching this series and check out all episodes of this little project, make sure you subscribe to my channel or follow the playlist for all episodes. As always, thanks for watching guys, and see you again soon.